Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.8, Problem 9. This is Section 2.8, Problem number 9. It says complete the computation. We have 5 over 6 minus 2 over 9. So what makes this problem more difficult is we have different denominators. We have to make the denominators the same. So for problems like this, I find it easier to write the problem vertically. So I'll write 5 over 6, 2 over 9 underneath. It's a subtraction, so we'll keep the problem a subtraction. Now, 6 and 9, two different denominators, so what I like to do is start with the larger denominator, ask myself if the smaller one will divide in evenly. Does 6 divide into 9 evenly? It does not. So next, take the larger denominator and double it. So if you double 9, you get 18. Now, will 6 divide into 18 evenly? It will. 6 goes into 18 3 times. So 18 is a common denominator. It's the lowest common denominator. So if you just multiply the two denominators, 6 times 9, 54, that would work as a common denominator, but it's not the lowest common denominator. The lower the better. Just makes the numbers smaller, easier to deal with. So 18 will work as a common denominator. And now adjust the numerator so you have an equivalent fraction. So with the upper fraction of 5 over 6, look at the denominators. 6 times something made an 18. It was times 3. 6 times 3 is 18. So the numerator will be multiplied times the same value, in this case times 3. So my numerator 5 times 3 is 15. 15 over 18 is equivalent to 5 over 6. Now, same process for the lower fraction. So 9 times some value became 18. It must be times 2. So the numerator is multiplied times the same value, in this case times 2. So 2 times 2 would make the new numerator 4. 4 over 18 is equivalent to 2 over 9. Now what I can do is combine the numerators. So the denominator for my answer will be whatever the common denominator is in my computation, in this case 18. And now this is a subtraction problem, so I'll subtract the numerators. 15 minus 4 is 11. So I have 11 over 18. You should check to see if that can be reduced. Are there any values that will divide into both 11 and 18 evenly? The answer is no. Nothing divides into both of those evenly. So that's it. That's the final answer. That's as far as it goes. 11 over 18 is the result.